Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today I want to do a 24-hour review of the iPhone XS Max. I came from the the Note 9. I've been using my Note 9 for a month straight. I haven't switched back and forth. I sold my iPhone 10 to purchase this, so I've been without it for about a week. And like I said, I've been using the Note since it came out before then anyway. And I really have missed iOS. I came back to this, and there's a lot of features about iOS that I do miss. I find that the apps on iOS are a lot better. The layout is a lot better. The interface just feels better and well designed. The Android apps can be a little iffy sometimes depending on the app. And for those of you who are on iPhone and haven't used Android, or you're on Android and haven't used iPhone, yes, there is a difference between Android and iOS apps, even if it's the same developer like Instagram or Twitter, the Weather Channel app, stuff like that. iOS apps tend to get updated first, I find. So you'll find most of the apps with new features on iOS, and they're overall just better laid out. So that's one thing. The YouTube app has dark mode on iOS. It's not even on Android yet, even though Android's Google, YouTube's Google. Their own platform hasn't even gotten the update that they've already updated to the iOS app for. So for the iPhone itself though, speed has been great on the XS Max. Running very smooth. I'm actually running beta 1 of iOS 12.1, so it does have the eSIM features which none of the carriers are supporting right now. AT&T is internally is only using it for employees right now. They're having an issue with voicemail going to the wrong device, so that is one thing. Other thing is Sprint's not supporting it. Verizon hasn't come out with it yet, and T-Mobile, they can't activate them yet. And I'm pretty sure that's because of the way the iPhone is activating with the eSIM. A lot of carriers are having to update their systems and stuff like that to support activating the iPhone with the eSIM. So that is something that we probably won't see available for activation until it rolls out in iOS 12.1 publicly. So that's not available yet. But the battery life on the phone is great. It's been running good. I'm at 87%. It is 10 a.m. I unplugged my phone at 4:45 this morning and have been using it. So that's pretty good. Battery's doing good, everything like that. Screen looks amazing. The big screen is awesome. I like it a lot better than the 5.8 inch, I can say that. It just looks overall a lot better, in my opinion. Stuff's easier to see, easier to read, everything's easier to interact with. That's one of the same things I find on the Apple Watch 44mm too. It's just easier to use the interface with the bigger screen. So really nice. I'm going to do an Apple Watch review for the 44mm as well. Kind of a 24-hour review probably tomorrow. The video after this, something like that. Everything on the iPhone XS though, loving it. Phone looks beautiful. I do need to purchase AppleCare on it still. Once I do that, I'll probably use it without a case some as well. But I love the phone. If you're thinking about upgrading, if you're on the fence about it, I would say do it. If you have an iPhone 10, if you want the bigger screen, go for the iPhone XS Max. It is worth the upgrade even if you're on the 10. I wouldn't say go from the 10 to the XS if you're just going to get another 5.8 inch. There's nothing really too different about that, but if you're looking for a bigger screen, definitely upgrade to the XS Max. If you're on anything older than an 8, definitely XS is the way to go, or you can wait until the XR comes out if you're looking to save a little bit of money. But so far on the iPhone XS Max, this is just the 24-hour review, so nothing too in-depth yet, but just saying after 24 hours, I love the phone. It is performing great, and I really do love it. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.